Well, a winter storm. Yeah, it's going to impact Maine starting tonight and continuing through Monday. Most of northern Maine will see snow with the heaviest totals in the north woods, while southern areas may experience mostly rain. Travel could be slippery, especially on roads and sidewalks up north. Snow may change to rain during the first half of Sunday and then possibly back to light snow Sunday night before clearing on Monday night. National Weather Service officials say you should stay updated and plan ahead. You can check weather.gov/car for the latest forecast, or
That's right. I'm right here.
you could just
I don't
ask
know why
Christian.
That's right. You don't have to check anything. You can just watch
You know
my
what?
forecast.
It's never a bad thing to have multiple sources.
That's right. That's right. Also, we're kind of matching today.
We are.
Look at that. We got the blue on because
It's
we're
going
getting
to
blue
snow.
sky.
Yeah. Oh,
and
that
also
too.
the snow map too is blue as well. But before we get to the snow, at least we got a nice day today, Leanne. So half the weekend is, salvageable. Let's take a look at our radar this morning. Nothing really to track out there at this point. We are really quiet, and most of today is quiet. It's tonight into tomorrow when we are expecting things to turn a bit messy. Of course, it is cold out there as we wake up this morning. Temperatures mostly in the 20s. It is 21 in Sanford, 29 in the Portland area. We are 32 in Augusta, as well as in Waterville, 25 up in the Greenville area this morning. So here's what you need to know about this system moving in tonight. It's rain along the coastline with snow and mix inland. This begins around midnight tonight, continuing through tomorrow morning. Highest totals will be in the mountains and into northern Maine, with the system mostly done Sunday, but we will be seeing some lingering flurries or snow showers with chilly weather as we head into Monday. But overall, this is mostly tonight into tomorrow. So let's jump right in. Let's talk about the timing of this. Again, today, overall, a really nice day. Highs get into the 40s. It's very nice and sunny as well as we get into the afternoon. A beautiful day in general. Then the clouds build in this evening. Here comes the rain and snow. Now, it may start as a little snow along the coastline, but a very rapid switch over to rain would be expected. So if you're along the coast, I wouldn't expect to see any wintry weather, especially since this is happening late at night. Away from the coastline, it's all snow. It does begin to switch over to rain. You can see that rain-snow line pushing north as we head through the night. And by Sunday morning, already wrapping up in many areas. So in central Maine, the travel impacts will quickly improve. If there are any slick roads, it'll go over to rain, and that will bring that travel impact to an end. But northern Maine, into the mountains, it stays snow through the day on Sunday, or through the morning at least, so slippery travel could continue. Now this is Sunday afternoon. Notice it's milder, even some peaks of sunshine into the 40s, so bringing any wintry weather impacts to an end outside of the mountains and northern Maine where snow will continue. And you can see that does persist into Monday. Northern Maine seeing continued snow showers. The rest of us seeing blustery winds, flurries on Monday, and temperatures struggling to get past 40 degrees. So quite chilly as we start off the work week, but at least the wintry weather threat is coming to an end. So big question, how much snow are we going to get? Well, it's all rain or mostly rain along the coastline. Could see it coating up to an inch from Sebago Lake through places like Leamington, Limerick, and northern York County, through the Lewiston area over towards Augusta as well. A little north from there into the foothills, Freiburg, through the Oxford Hills, all the way through Farmington, up to 3 inches of snow possible. The mountains, though, get the most, 3 to 6 inches, with the bullseye of totals from Greenville to Millinocket up to Caribou and Holton, 6 inches or more of snow possible by the time all is said and done on Monday. So for many, at least away from the coastline and into northern Maine, first significant storm of the season. So let's talk about the rest of this week. Tuesday looks fairly clear. We should see chilly temperatures, some sunshine, brisk out there on Tuesday, but high pressure keeping things pretty nice. It's also the case Wednesday and Thursday. Late week, that's our next system, and this one looks like a mild one. Notice the warm front well to the north that allows that mild air to move in, so snow will probably be melting late in the week as rain will take over. So let's get a look at our marine forecast for today. Seas at 2 to 3 feet. Really not too bad for today, but we do have a gale watch in place that goes from this evening until Tuesday. So the storm system is really going to churn things up out in the Gulf of Maine. So here's a look at our 7-day. You can see we got that snow and rain arriving tonight, wrapping up tomorrow morning. Then we see a few flurries lingering into Monday. Cold, only in the upper 30s to around 40. Sun returns Tuesday. It's still cold. It remains chilly on Wednesday and Thursday as well. But notice a bit of a warm up late in the week, upper 40s, chance for some rain by Friday. There's a possibility we even get to the 50s by the end of the week as well, Leanne. So yeah, while we do have to deal with the cold pretty much all week, there is a little bit of hope for those hoping for some milder weather.
All right. Well, thank you very much.